by Mr. Nitin Khara, the MD of the company. Hi, Mr. Khara. Thanks so much, sir, for joining in. You've added close to around 430,000 cylinders in terms of capacity. What does this take your total capacity to, sir? And if you could help us out, what is the average realization per cylinder?
Average realization per unit is 1,500 rupees,
Okay.
and total capacity now it becomes 4,32,000 per unit a year. Means we have developed two subsidiaries. So altogether capacity is 48 lakh cylinders per annum.
48 lakh.
48 lakh
Right.
cylinders per annum. What capacity utilization are you functioning at, Mr. Khara? Because if we just do a quick math, 1,500 rupees per cylinder on 48 lakh would entail a revenue of around 89, 90 crore, around 600, 700 crore rupees on the top line.
Right. See, now government has floated Ujjwala scheme, no? You must be aware about that.
Right.
So they are giving free deposit cylinder to all BPL people. So orders are very big with us now, and they have floated the tender for 5 crore cylinders this time. And company is expecting a very big orders from this. So what we are expecting 100% utilization of these units, all these units.
All right, Mr. Khara, then let's get to, what kind of a number can you do if you're expecting 100% capacity utilization level in the coming months? Last year you did around 500 crores, 496 crores to be precise. This year, can we look at a number of around 600 crores? Is that possible? And in terms of margins as well, last year you did around 8.5%. You can maintain those margins?
Yeah, definitely. But company also in other field, no? You
Right.
must be aware about that, our company.
Correct.
See, we are in LPG cylinder manufacturing, we are in LPG bottling, as well we are in auto LPG and CNG cylinder manufacturing.
Absolutely.
So altogether, this LPG cylinder manufacturing business, we are expecting the top line of around 550 to 600 crore from this business.
That's just the LPG cylinder business. Other than that, you have the cylinder division. If you could break up your revenue for us, 500 crores is what you made last year in terms of revenue. If we take a look at your numbers, cylinder division contributed around 80 crores. Another 80 crores came in from the LPG division. So where else did the other revenue come from?
Auto LPG, we have 110 auto LPG dispensing stations in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Andhra, everywhere. And from this also we are getting the revenue. And we are the market leader in this field. Means we are the market leader in LPG cylinder manufacturing. We are in auto LPG standalone business also, as well in bottling also. We are providing bottling assistance to all oil majors, Indian Oil Petroleum Corporation Limited, Bharat Petroleum, and
Right.
Hindustan Petroleum.
All right. So, Mr. Khara, just to do a quick recap, you're saying you can do 550 to around 600 crores. Your margin should be maintained at around 8.5%. So, your operating profit for next year should be at least 45 to 50 crores, correct?
Correct.
Very good. All right, sir. Let's get below your operational performance. You've given us, a fair bit of numbers. Let's move to your interest cost. For the last year, your interest cost is around 11 crores. But my research analyst tells me that the total debt in your books is around 60 crores. If you could help us
57
out.
crore, right.
60 crores debt and your interest cost is around 12 crores. So that means what you're borrowing at what, at 20%?
No, working capital is also there. LC is also there.
So what is the total
altogether,
number then, sir, if I add my working capital, break it up for us. Your total debt, your working capital, as well as your LCs.
Yeah, as well as an LC.
What is that number, sir?
Working capital is almost around 30 crore, 30 CR.
Okay.
And LC, we are utilizing the LC that is non-funding is 5 crore, 50 crore, sorry. This is.
So overall, your debt would be how much? Funded and non-funded?
Altogether, 57 crore is the total debt as on date today.
So are you borrowing at what, 16, 17%? Is that your finance cost?
14.5 we are borrowing at present, 14.5 to 15.
Is that expected to go down given the interest rates having declined, or what exactly is the reason for you paying such high interest costs?
See, earlier, as you are aware that we are not doing good earlier in 2-3 years back, but now company is doing well, so we thought we have to change our bankers. We are also thinking for the same, as you told that we are paying.
So you're looking to refinance basically. Mr. Khara, you're looking to
in coming
refinance.
time we will get the good rates from other bankers.
So you're looking to refinance your debt. Am I right on that?
Yeah. We are planning for that.
Great. So let's hope, sir, that your operational performance improves and your refinancing as well comes about. But I need to ask you this question. What about promoters? I believe they've been increasing stake in the company in the last fiscal. And I think even in this fiscal, we're only, 3 months into the fiscal, but you have increased stake of them. Are you looking to continue increasing stake? And if you could tell us, sir, who are you buying the stake from? I mean, from the open market, or is there a seller in the market?
No, we are buying from the open market only. We are taking it from the open market.
Okay.
And as you are aware, that company is also doing good. So we thought, why don't you increase our stake, promoter stake?
All right, Mr. Khara, thanks a lot for joining in, showing confidence in